In this quick video, I want to show you how to do a full reset on any Whirlpool oven range. Now this particular one's the Gold Series, but you might have a different version. So this should work with any. So the reason I'm back here is because I'm next to the circuit breaker here. And so wherever in your house it is, usually they're downstairs, they'll look like a little panel like this. You want to locate your oven range, and here's the key. So look for wherever it says oven and range. And so this one is here, it's 1. And so 1 will go to this one right here. So what I want to do is I want to turn this one off, and I want to keep it off for at least 5 minutes. And you want to verify that it is off. So in order to do that, just look back at your Whirlpool oven and make sure that the clock is off. That way you know it's off. Keep this off for 5 minutes, then turn it back on, and that does a reset. So if you have any error numbers or anything like that, that should fix them. Now there's another way to do it, and the only thing you have to do is on this particular one, you're going to hit the cancel button twice and start. And then after I do that, I want to repeatedly hit the number 3. All right, so cancel, start, and then 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And then control reset. And then I want to press start to reset it. All right. And that's how you do it. All right, let me know if it worked for you. Make sure you subscribe.